The biggest catalyst for the day will be Q3 earnings, from Reliance Industries to trickle in post-market hours. An action-packed session on cards, as Q3 corporate earnings will also trickle in from Bandhan Bank, Coforge, HDFC Life, IEX, JSW Steel, Eltim, Petronet, Union Bank. This morning on the front pages are hawkish comments from ECB President Christine Lagarde, who at the World Economic Forum in Davos has said that inflation is way too high, will stay course with rate hikes. Just a day before, there were hawkish statements from Fed officials who said the Fed should not stop raising interest rates until they are higher than 5%. Overnight, Wall Street remained under pressure as the Boston Fed President Susan Collins was the latest policymakers to keep his foot on the pedal to warn that rates must rise further to bring down inflation. Interestingly, despite the chorus of hawkish comments, the US dollar seen licking its wounds at 102 levels, its 7-month low. The US 2-year yield too has dived towards the 4.10% mark, while the 10-year yield hit 3.397%, the lowest level since September. Bottom line, rising macro disruption, geopolitical risks, and inflation are likely to trigger market volatility in today's trade as well. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs bought shares worth Rs 400 crores. DIIs however sold shares worth Rs 129 crores. Fando options data suggests Nifty's range of 17,500 to 18,500 zone. India VIX is hovering at 13.96 levels. Nifty PCR is at 1.06. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.89. Nifty's outlook for the day, volatile and choppy. Market breadth for the day likely to be neutral. Sentiment for the day likely to be precarious. Nifty's technicals are suggesting consolidation. Nifty CMP 18,108. Nifty support at 17,873 mark. Biggest Nifty hurdles now only at 18,265 mark. Nifty's range for the day is seen between 18,000 to 18,250 zone. Bias for the day, neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 42,329. Bank Nifty support seen at 41,567 levels. Major resistance at 43,579. Bank Nifty range for the day at 41,700 to 42,700 zone. Bias for the day, neutral. Well, if yesterday's trading action is any indication, then Nifty bulls are definitely not liking weak leads from Wall Street and, most importantly, the muted Q3 corporate earnings from India incorporated. Rattling investor sentiments are also a bigger than expected round of job cuts from Microsoft. Cautious mood likely to prevail in today's session, and that brings us to our call of the day, which suggests investors need to belt up as we are going to witness a volatile session. An action-packed session on cards as Q3 corporate earnings will trickle in. RIL, Bandhan Bank, Coforge, HDFC Life, IEX, JSW Steel, Eltim, Petronet, Union Bank. Meanwhile, HUL reported 12% rise in its net profit to 2,505 crores, beating Street's estimate. Long story short, technically speaking, confirmation of strength only on close above Nifty 18,265 mark.